Here we have the iPhone 13 regular. This one is the 128 or 256. This is the 256 gig iPhone 13. Brand new out of the box. Just put a case on it. This is in blue. Dark blue, so you guys can actually see. It has 2 cameras. Pretty high tech. Let's see if I could zoom in real quick so you guys can see. So this is a USB-C to lightning cable power adapter in here. Does run on 5G and LTE. And battery life is, I believe it is up there in the 15 to 20 hours. It does have the brand new everything on this, the new software, iOS software. And as we open it up, it's just your typical iPhone case. There's little buttons, little plastic thing that goes on top of it. It does come with the charger, which is lightning cable to USB-C, and a little quick start guide, and that's it. That is the iPhone 13. It is about the size of the old iPhone XR. Pretty fast, lovely phone. All right, thank you for watching.